Efrain Ramirez again. 51 days later, we haven't seen nobody from the city or from Puerto Rico come out here and look at the streets. We haven't seen anybody come around like they say they're having the army and all that, bringing in food, water. This area where I live at, we haven't seen any of that. If they do come around, it's church people, Red Cross, but they only go to certain houses. They don't go to every single house to see if they're okay. But in this area we have 91-year-old people and little kids around here. We haven't seen anybody really who cares about them. Hate to say it like this, but this area where we are at, we seen in TVs the other side of the island helping out, but this area right here, look at this. We took manners in our hands. We put things around here where cars don't have to go through and people won't have to go through. We painted the streets because at night we can't even see anything. We're scared that somebody might fall, break their legs, and there's nobody to hear them. But I just don't understand how they're saying that there's so much help coming out here. We haven't even seen help out here. Our families are helping us out, and friends out there. But like I say, we live every single day. This is 51 days, no water. Nobody from the city comes around to see, let's fix this road up before somebody falls. See if you guys need any help, any medicine, take you somewhere. We haven't seen that. Oh, I'm just trying to show you guys what's going on here in Sebastian, Calabazas. I'm going to show you guys some pictures around here and you can see how sad it is. People here that you talk to them just sit down and cry about it. That's how sad it is. In this town that we live in, right in here, I want to say a lot of people left out there to the United States because they can't survive here with no light in this condition, Now let me show you around. This house here is going down. This house is going down. They have some areas it went down maybe 6 to 9 feet. This area over here, this was a driveway over here. That was a driveway. The house went back, slide back. The house went back at least, I think, 1.5 feet and went down 2 feet. But we haven't seen anybody come around here and do something about it. It's a sewer line of water that crosses from that house, from that side of the street when it rains. And I think it's covered up. I don't see the pipe coming out of there. But if they don't come here and fix this soon, this whole area where I'm standing at, we're going to lose it. That's where I live at. With my neighbors. And the damage was so bad that you see how those bricks are just tilting. Pretty soon this whole side is going to sink. We have, ever since the hurricane came around here, knocked a lot of things down. Back part of the house. Trees. They're washing by hands over here. There's no electricity to wash clothes. There's an old lady, 72 years old, washes her clothes there. All this went down. Trees went down. Like I said, showing you a little what's happening around. It's kind of sad. to see this. Been over here for like 40 years, back and forth. I never saw something like this. Never saw a hurricane in my life. Show you guys a little what we did around here. We have tried to tie some strings. That way nobody can come through here. Post is still bent 51 days later. Want to share this video with you guys, let you guys know what's going on. Thank you.